So today I thought I'd make a short video about a carrying case I found. Now, you may be familiar with the case that I sell in my store. This is a very nice case. I'm not saying anything bad about it because, well, I can't. I designed it. I sell it. This is my most popular product I sell in my store on turkeyboards.com. It's a great case, but I designed it to fit a variety of keyboards that I sell. Ideally, all the keyboards I sell fit into this just fine, including even others like my ZSA Voyager fits in this keyboard, and it keeps the halves nice and separate. But I'm always on the lookout for another carrying case. Now, this is my personal one out of ones that I bought, and it's got little marks here, but it's got a nice tough shell. But I wanted something in my bag. After carrying this for a while, I use a Korn as my daily driver, and I wanted something smaller. Honestly, this felt kind of bulky and big in my backpack. I have a small keyboard. Now, if I carried a Softly or Lily 58 or my Voyager around, this is perfect. But I wanted something a little smaller, something more compact. Well, I ran across this case here. Now, this is just a standard MOLLE pack. There's nothing special about it, other than the price point is really nice, and the fact that this is designed just as like an everyday carry, like an EDC pouch. So it's like for your cell phone and things like that. But I've found this, with its double pockets, zippers, works great for my Korn. Yeah, looky there. I've got both halves of my Korn keyboard in here. This is my travel keyboard. It keeps it nice and protected because it has a nice canvas with a nice slick interior in here. Even has a pocket for all my cables so I can keep everything nice and separate. And my keyboard I've modified. I've got my tenting legs on here and things, but it fits beautifully in this little pack. I've actually been really impressed with it. And I keep both halves in here. Has no problem keeping it nice and small. I've got spots for like if I want to put pins or if I want to strap it to my bag or anything like that, which is nice about these military-ish like bags. But it also works as a great split keyboard travel case. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. I got mine off of AliExpress. I also found one similar on Amazon. There'll be links in the description below to both. They're affiliate links, so please use them. It helps me out to do these videos and whatnot. I think you'll find that this is a very nice, inexpensive option for Korn and other similar 40% or smaller keyboards. This is just a nice little compact carrying case. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow us for more fun keyboard videos and electronics, and we'll see you in the next one.